Hello friends, I'm going to start illustration number 6 of the CMA final SFM lease and hire purchase. Okay, please read the questions here. Lease and hire purchase. Illustration number 6. Basic information. Assets related cost. Rupees 120 lakhs. Tax rate depreciation. Depreciation is of 40%. Useful life 4 years. The residual value after 3 years is this. This is the residual value after 3 years. Leasing full payout 3 years lease rent quoted to be 434 per thousand. Payment annually in area. Borrow and buy 3 years loans. Interest rate 15%. And quantum to be determined. Quantum to be determined. Please like to understand this. Please try to understand this. Such that annual repayment of principal will be equal to the lease rental payment. Lease rental payment. Okay. Other informations, tax rate 40%, opportunity cost 11%. Based on the above information, determine the preferred options of lease or buying option. Okay, look at, I'm going to make you understand. First, I'm going to calculate the lease rents. Okay, annual lease rents. So what is the information about the annual lease rent? Annual lease rent is going to pay rupees 434 per thousand payments, thousand cost. Okay, and the cost of total machine is 120 lakhs. So here I am going to calculate here evaluation of present value of expenditure due to lease rent. Lease rent. Working note first. Calculation of lease rent. Calculation of lease rent. What is saying? Rupees 434 per thousand investment, and your total investment 120 lakh. 120 lakh, and this will be rupees 52.08. Lease rent net of tax, you have to calculate. Lease rent net of tax. Tax saving on lease rent. On lease rent. Tax saving on lease rent. That is 40% of rupees 52.08. 40% of rupees 52.08. The rupees 20.0832 lakhs. These all informations are in lakhs. Lease rent net of tax. Lease rent net of taxes. This minus this. After subtracting this, you will have 31.21248 lakh. Present value of lease rent payment. Present value of lease rent payment. Look at it. You are going to pay 31.248 into present value annuity factor 11%. Lease rent is taken for 3 years. Lease rent is taken for 3 years, and this will be rupees 31.248 into present value factor for 3 years is 2.4437 147. This is rupees 36,119 lakhs. This is your lease payments, present value of expenditure due to lease rent. Okay, now we have to evaluate present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. Now, present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. In borrow, look at it in third information, borrow and buy 3 years loan. 3 years loan. Okay, and lease is also 3 years. 3 years loan. Interest rate 15%. Quantum to be determined. Loan quantum to be determined such that annual repayment of principal will be equal to annual lease rent repayment, only lease rent payment. Okay, it means evaluation of present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. Bank borrowing. In this question, it is given. What is given? Annual installment equal to annual lease rent. Lease rent payment, that is rupees. What is the annual lease rent payment? 52.08 lakh. 52.08 lakh. Okay, this is 52.08 lakh, and this installment is paid at the rate of 15%. The total loan taken, this is paid for the 3 years at the rate of annuity factor 15%, because of interest rate is 15%, that is rupees 52.08 into 15%. So what is the interest rate for 15%? That is 15%, 2.283225. 2.283225, that is rupees 118.91 lakh. 118.91 lakh. The present value of installment, first working note. This was the also working note. Okay, now working note. Calculation of present value of annual installment payment. Calculation of present value of annual installment of loan. Annual installment loan. 52.08 into present value annuity factor, rate of interest you have 15%, 3 years. Discount rate is 11% given in the questions. Rupees 52.08 into, this is 2.4437, 2.4437, 2.4437, 15%, 11%, 2.4437, 148, 147. This is your installment payment, 127.268 lakh. You have paid installment. Now the asset is you are able to charge the depreciation as well as interest The tax saving amount you need to calculate. The calculation of interest. Work you note. Calculation of interest. Interest. Okay. You write here 1, 2, 3. Loan 118.91 lakhs. Interest at the rate of 15%. 15% of 118.91, 17.835, 835. Balance loan 118.91 minus installment you are going to pay. Balance loan. In the case of you are going to pay installment 52 point this. So this is that is look at it. This is 17 point this. Interest 15%. This is 17.835. 17.835 in lakhs. Okay. Principal payment. Whole year installment is 52.0708 minus 17.835. 835. Now principal payment is 34.245. 245. Now balance loan. Balance loan to 118.91 minus 34.245. 245. Now the balance loan 84.655. This is 84.655. Interest on this is 15%, 12.698. 698. The 52.08 minus 12.698, because of we are going to pay installment this. Out of this installment, this is the interest. Now this is a principal payment and this is installment, this is the loan. Then 39.382. 39.382. Now 84.655 minus 39.382, and this will be 45. The balance loan is 45.39. This is 45.263. 45.263. This is 45.263. 3, and interest on this is 6.817. 6.817. Now in this case, 52.08 minus 6.817, this would be 45.263. This is the principal is paid. Okay, in this case. Now minus 45.263 minus 45.263, this is 0. Okay, now look at it. This we have paid the interest. Okay, now I am going to calculate the depreciation. Calculation of depreciation. Headed year 1, 2, 3. Written down value 120. Depreciation is 40%. Because of depreciation is given 40%. Tax depreciation, for the tax purpose depreciation charges 40%, and scrap value, residual value is 25.92. So 40% of 120, 48. Again return on value will be 120 minus 48, that equal to 72. 72. 40% of 72, that is 28.8. 72 minus 28.8, this is 43.2. 43.2, 40% of 43.2, this is 17.28. 17.28. 43.2 minus 17.28, that is 25.92. 25.92. This is the fourth year, 25.92 lakhs. These all information are in lakh. Now we have to calculate tax saving due to interest and depreciation. Working note. Calculation of tax saving due to depreciation and interest. Depreciation and interest. You write here 1, 2, this is 3. Okay, you write a depreciation 48, 28.8, 17.28. Interest 17.835, 12.698, 6.817. You write a tax saving amount 65.835, 41.498, 24.097. Tax saving 40%. 40% this 26.334, 16.5992, 5992, 9.6388, 6388, This is a present value factor at the rate of 11%. 0.9009, 0.8116, 0.7312. Now present value 23.724, 724, 13.4719, 7.0478. Present value of tax saving due to depreciation and interest 23.724, 13.4719, 7.0478, that is total 44 point rupees 44.244 lakhs. Now working note, calculation of scrap value net of tax. Calculation of scrap value net of taxes. Book value, this is book value equal to sale value, rupees 25.92. Present value factor 11% for 3 years, 0.7312. Present value of terminal cash inflow. Present value of terminal cash inflow. This is rupees 18.952 lakhs. Now we have to evaluate present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. Present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. Bank borrowing. Present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. Bank borrowing. Present value of installment payment. Payment rupees 127.268 lakh less present value of tax saving on depreciation and interest 44.244 lakh less present value of terminal cash inflow minus 18.952 present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing rupees 64.072 lakh. Evaluation lease, this is the buy, present value of expenditure 64.072 lakh, that is 76.361 lakh. Now saving due to bank due to buy 76.361 minus 64.072, that equal to 12.289 lakh. 289 lakh, and loan bank borrowing is the best. Lease, actually this is wrong. 76.361, 64.07. The bank borrowing is the lower cost, that's why bank borrowing is the accepted. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.